Hey Siam, it's been a while. How have you been?
I'm doing pretty well. Thanks. How about you?
I am good too. So, what have you been up to lately?
While mostly war, I have been quite busy at the bank recently.
Oh, that's right. You work at a bank, don't you?
Yes, I do. I have been working there for almost 3 years now.
That's great. I didn't know you have already been there for 3 years.
Time flies, it feels like I joined only a few months ago.
So, what exactly do you do at the bank?
I am a customer service officer.
That sounds interesting. What are your main responsibilities?
I mainly deal with customers and help them with different banking services.
What kind of services do you usually deal with?
I help customers open bank accounts, update their information, solve basic problems, and understand different banking products.
I see. So you have to communicate with a lot of people every day.
Exactly. Communication is probably the most important part of my job. What about you? What do you do?
I am a software developer at a technology company.
Really? That sounds cool. What kind of software do you develop?
I mainly work on web applications and business software.
Do you work alone or as part of a team?
I work as part of a small development team.
What does a typical day at work look like for you?
I usually start my day by checking my emails and reviewing my tasks. Then I attend a short team meeting where we discuss our progress and priorities.
That sounds quite organized.
It is, but sometimes things can become extremely busy.
So, do you exactly enjoy your job?
Yes, I do. I really enjoy solving problems and creating something useful.
What do you like most about it?
I love the fact that I learn something new almost every day. Technology changes so quickly, so I always have to improve my skills.
That's exactly a good thing.
Definitely, it keeps my work interesting and challenging.
For me, the best part of my job is helping people.
Do you enjoy interacting with customers?
Most of the time is I meet people from different backgrounds and every customer has a different story.
But I'm sure your job isn't always easy.
You are absolutely right. Dealing with angry customers can be quite stressful.
How do you deal with difficult customers?
Asked, I try to remain calm and listen carefully to their problems. Then I explain the situation clearly and try to find a tactical solution.
That's a really useful skill.
Yes, working with customers has taught me a lot about patience and communication.
I have challenges too.
What kind of challenges?
Sometimes I have tight deadlines and I need to finish complicated projects within a short period.
That must be stressful.
It can be, but I have learned how to manage my time and prioritize important tasks.
What are your working hours?
I usually work from 9 in the morning to 5 in the afternoon.
Do you have to work overtime?
Occasionally, especially when we are close to an important deadline.
I have to work overtime sometimes too.
Do you work in an office?
Yes, I work at a branch office in the city center.
Is your workplace comfortable?
Yes, it's quite modern and well organized. What about your workplace?
My office has a relaxed environment and we have a small break area where we can have coffee and chat.
Are you satisfied with your salary?
Yes, overall I am satisfied. although I think there's always room for improvement.
That's true. What about your career goals?
I would like to become a senior software engineer in the next few years.
There's some great goal.
Thanks, I always want to develop my leadership skills.
That's important if you want to move into a management position.
Exactly. What about you?
I would like to become a branch manager someday.
I think you would be really good at it.
Thanks, I have so.
If you had a chance to change your profession, would you?
That's an interesting question. Honestly, I don't think I would change it completely
Why not?
because I have already gained valuable experience and I genuinely enjoy working with people.
That makes sense.
However, I would like to learn more about financial technology in the future.
That's interesting because technology and banking are becoming closely connected.
Exactly. That's why I think learning new skills is essential. What advice would you give someone who is choosing a career?
I would say don't choose a job only because it pays well. You should also consider your interests, your strengths, and long term goals.
I completely agree with you. A good salary is important, but job satisfaction matters too.
Exactly. If you enjoy what you do, you are more likely to stay motivated.
And you can improve your skills naturally when you are interested in your work.
That's why I believe people should find a balance between income and professional satisfaction.
You know, talking about our jobs has made me realize how different our careers are.
Yes, but we also have a lot in common.
We both have to communicate well, solve problems, and manage our time.
And most importantly, we both want to keep learning and improving.
Absolutely. I think that's the key to having a successful career.
Well, it was great talking to you.
Same here. We should definitely do this again.
Definitely, but next time you are buying the coffee.
A deal.
See you soon.
S- uh,